welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to create this shirt from like an old shirt that you have at home. It has fringes down and then this like neck cut. So if this is your first time on my channel, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like and share this video, and comment what you want to see me do more. Thank you very much. Bye. Okay guys, I really hate this shirt. Like, look at the beginning. So first you fold it in half and then you cut the down seam with a scissors. Then you cut like the horizontally upwards, vertically, sorry. You cut vertically upwards to a particular level. You have to measure it from the front first. Then you cut, you try to make it like almost the same size and almost to the same length. Then you shift it to the side, then you keep cutting. Then I started cutting at the front, and then now I'm almost done cutting. Make sure you try and make it same, almost same size. My hand hurts. It wasn't easy. And that's the last piece right there. Try and make it straight so that like you will not have lines. Then you pull it. You pull each one so that it like looks slimmer. You pull them very well. And then you like cut the sides that are uneven, then you cut them out. Yeah, it's like try and make it very neat. And then okay, I got rid of the middle part because I hated the stupid lip that was on the shirt, and I also hate the shirt. So then now I'm going to cut the neck part. So I got my lipstick and I folded it in half. Then from the middle part, the A, I like outlined it a triangle to the next seam. Then I opened it, then cut it right in the middle. Like you fold the shirt, then you cut it so that you can cut through, and it should be only the front part of the shirt that is being cut. Then I turned it, then I cut it along the line that I've outlined, the triangle that I outlined. Then I cut it along the seam. Make sure I don't cut into the seam of the shirt. Then I stretch out the shirt, stretch out all the parts that I've cut. Bye guys, thank you for watching. See you guys in the next video.